Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to the daily update of our 1000 days challenge. Today is day 803, so let's get things started. Alright, so first and foremost, no change in terms of equity balance wise. Across the board, we still lean towards bearish momentum. You can see in terms of S&P 500. It's a little bit supportive in the sense is we do see some sort of support over here, but you can see that we are not having a very strong bounce on the second retest. In addition to that, the retest period from here to here is actually quite short. If you count in terms of days wise, since we last touched this price, it's just a week or say a little bit more than a week is 7 days. So yeah, definitely not a good sign if you're looking in terms of strength wise. So if we do actually retest it again and again, at least for one more time, I do think that we are very likely to break below that, in which case you could very swiftly see 3.4K to even 3.3K region over here. It's the next support level. And the size is definitely leaning towards the downside because we can see Nasdaq is already broken down. And definitely I do lean that there will be a touch at least on this 10.3K region itself. But that's not to say that I'll enter a short here simply because of the fact that it may potentially bounce up all the way near here. So if you were to look for a short, we have short over here. And yeah, latest you have entered will be somewhere along here, and then you'll be riding it down with a stop loss right above here. Yeah, but that's potential the short setup if you have been looking for in that sense. Similarly over here, there is a little bit from here, you go to short here, even if the target was to hit here, the question is your risk to reward will be really wide, and if it does hit here and then going back down again, you will not be worthwhile in that sense. All right, finally for QNY, similarly, still bearish side. So a lot of the across the market, we definitely still lean towards the bearish side of things. And similarly, even for Bitcoin, still lean towards the downside of things. But surprisingly, it seems to be holding out very strong at this level, which is wouldn't say very odd, simply because in terms of historical high itself, this 19K region itself was previously a very historical support region itself over here. And then over here, right before we break over here in terms of that, we also took 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks itself before we have a very decisive break. So right now we are retesting it very decisively itself. So I do think that we will most likely still at least hit 16K or even this 14K mark for at least a very short while. The question is, will we even break below this low? It's up to anybody guess. But I do think that it's quite likely that we could potentially touch there in that sense. But yeah, let's see how things goes. But yeah, so this is the previous high itself. So definitely facing support over here is definitely something that's expected of. But yeah, how long can we hold over here is up to anybody guess in that sense. So yeah, in many other case, I don't see for any potential setup both in terms of daily chart and forward chart simply because right now price is rather choppy. So you can see we did swing up, swing down, and then we are still maintaining over here itself. So unless potentially we do see in terms of Bollinger Band itself, you can see that it's still not shrinking tight enough. If we do see some sort of volatility spike like this, and then we have this sort of rejection pattern itself, then I'll put a sell stop order. I wouldn't put a buy stop order here right now is because it's still leaning towards the bearish side of things. And yeah, so that's basically about it, especially the crisscrossing kind of moving averages is definitely not trending. So in this kind of market situation, I'm definitely stepping out of the market in terms of trading with the trend itself. All right, so if that's it, I've come to the end of today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.